So the Qrevo Master is our most premium mid-range model that features innovative innovations from our flagship models, coming in with a lot of cleaning features that's only found in some of the leading models on the market, packed in a most powerful, innovative, do-it-all cleaning solution for the everyday consumer. And there's the Qrevo S, which is like a little brother to the Qrevo Master, a little bit more streamlined than the Qrevo Master, also with a lot of most loved, handheld, handless, self-maintenance and cleaning features that will help the everyday consumer to maintain their home a little bit better. So I will start off with the Qrevo Master. So corners and edges are areas that a raw vacuum cleaner can struggle to clean simply because of the rounded shape of the model. And to eliminate these kind of issues, we have implemented a robotic arm which extends the side brush and the mop for those kind of corners and edges. So when the robot vacuum detects those kind of hard to reach areas, the mop and the arm will reach out automatically to get all the dust and dirt out from those areas, reaching as close as 0 millimeter away from these hard to reach areas and get 100% edge and corner coverages. And this has been tested by TÜV Rheinland, a third-party company based in Germany, of its cleaning efficiency. When it comes to sheer vacuuming power, the Qrevo Master has 10,000 Pascal suction power, which is the same as our S8 Max V Ultra flagship model. And it also has the same brush system, which features 2 rubber roller brushes that spins in a bi-directional motion. And we found that with a roller brush system that has 2 rubber brush, is able to pick up dust and hair on carpets 30% more efficiently than the robot vacuum model with a single rubber brush. And to further eliminate the hair tangling problem that a robot vacuum might have, we have implemented a hair cutter into the rubber brush system, which will only be activated when the safety cover is off, so that long hairs or households with more pets, more hair, can really alleviate this problem, making the cleaning experience more hands-free when it comes to maintenance as best as we can. And obviously the Qrevo Master can both vacuum and mop. And when it comes to mopping, it uses a spinning mop system that spins at 200 rounds per minute, and it automatically lifts itself when needed to get those wet mop off the floor, avoid wetting those areas that you don't want it to mop or wet. So it lifts by 10 millimeters when it detects a carpet or when it's vacuuming only. The Qrevo Master is also extremely smart, as it is equipped with our reactive AI obstacle avoidance system featuring an RGB camera. It's able to recognize 62 different types of obstacles, including shoes, socks, cables, mirrors, and avoid them very efficiently without you having to remove all the different obstacles on the floor before sending the robot vacuum out. And next slide, please. And there's a whole range of pet-friendly features that is perfect for the pet parents, including video calling, which features a single-way video call and a dual-way audio call feature, which allows the customers to access their homes through the robot vacuum and interact with their home when you're away remotely. There is the pet recognition feature, so the robot vacuum is able to detect the pets in the home, like a cat and a dog. It's able to adjust the cleaning settings accordingly when you're around the pets to not scare them. And if you enable the pet snap features, when it found out your pet is in front of the robot vacuum, it will take a picture of the pet and send it to you on the Roborock app, so you can post it on your social media if you want it. And there's a search for the pet feature that it will roam around your house, and as it recognizes that there's a pet in front of it, it will notify you on your Roborock app, and you can turn on video call, you can turn on your pet snaps to interact with it in real time. And once the robot vacuum completes a clean, it will go back to the dock and complete a self-maintenance cycle, which includes hot water mop washing at 60 degrees Celsius. It will dry the mop at 45 degrees Celsius of warm air. And when the dirt water from the mop washing is too dirty, there's a sensor that will tell it, and it will send the robot vacuum back out to do another mopping run and clean the mop another time, because it will know that one mopping run is not enough and then it will send it out and keep your floors as impeccable as it can be. And then it will automatically empty the dustbin of the robot vacuum and store all the dust within the dock by up to 7 weeks worth of dust and debris within the dock. So after 7 weeks, you just have to pull the dust back, throw it out, and get a new one in. No more dust flying around when you're exchanging, emptying the dustbin. And then it will automatically refill the water tank of the robot vacuum using the dock's clean water tank. And if you don't have your phone with you, or if you prefer voice control, there is the built-in voice assistant with the robot vacuum. So you can just say, "Hello, Rocky, clean my bathroom, clean my kitchen, go back to the dock, wash my mop." All of these can be done with a simple voice command. And then next up is the Qrevo S, the little brother, a younger sibling of the Qrevo Master. So it packs 7,000 Pascal suction power, slightly lower than the Master, but when it is cleaning at maximum suction level, the roller brushes will increase its spinning speed by 10% to ensure cleaning efficiency is at its maximum. The mop also is essentially the same as the one found in the Qrevo Master. It spins at 200 rounds per minute and it lifts 10 millimeters up when it detects carpets or when it's absolutely needed. And after it cleans, it will also go back to the dock to perform all the essential maintenance features, including mop washing and drying the mop and emptying the dustbin. There's also the obstacle avoidance system built into the Qrevo S. Although it doesn't recognize the different 62 different types of obstacles that the Qrevo Master can, it can also see and know that there's an obstacle in front of it that is, and then notify you on the Roborock app and avoid it in the most efficient way as possible. So both Qrevo Master and the Qrevo S is extremely smart, and you can customize it based on your cleaning needs. Yeah. So both models is packed with the LIDAR technology that essentially shoots out light rays around your home. It receives it back, and it will measure your home's dimensions and map out your home, allowing you to customize your cleaning routines, clean specific rooms, don't go to specific areas, and allowing you to know whereabouts the robot vacuum is cleaning in the most efficient way as possible. And with the Roborock Smart Plan technology, you are able to customize the different cleaning preferences by the different room types. So, for example, if you send a robot vacuum to your living room, it will have a standard vacuum and standard mopping. In your bedroom, a quieter mode, and then in your kitchen, it will automatically boost everything to maximum. And obviously, with the Roborock app, you're able to customize the different cleaning routines, set different no-go zones, cleaning zones, and charge perhaps during off-peak hours when you need it. So a lot of options that you can customize and personalize with. And both of these devices is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Siri, and Google Home. And there is Smart Home, there's the widgets for your smartphone and your smartwatch to have a very quick access to your cleaning device. So this is a quick summary of the differences between the Qrevo Master and the Qrevo S. Essentially, the Master is available in black, Qrevo S in white. The self-maintenance features has a slightly higher temperature on the Qrevo Master. The robot itself cleans slightly better with higher suction power, better mop extension and edge and corner cleaning capability. and a slightly better obstacle avoidance system. And when it comes to intelligence, the Qrevo Master has a voice assistant, it has video calling, and there are pet features that is not available on the Qrevo S. So when it comes to pricing and availability, all of the 3 models will be available in store starting from the 1st of October. Pre-order begins on the 15th of September and lasts for 15 days up until the 30th of September, with the Qrevo Master retailing at $26.99 Australian dollars, Qrevo S $14.99, and then the H5 at $5.99. And during pre-order for the Qrevo Master, you will get a free FlexiLite wet dry vacuum that vacuums and mops at the same time, valued at $6.99. And that model will be available for testing later in the kitchen area for all those wet and dry cleaning scenarios. Then for the Qrevo S, you will have a colored lid for the dustbin of the dog to personalize the aesthetics of your Qrevo S. And then for the H5, during pre-order, you'll receive $100 off. So our models will be available in JB Hi-Fi, Harvey Norman, The Good Guys, Bingley, as well as other authorized retailers that you can find on our official website, and as well as our official web store.